Good afternoon, sir. Today I will video my Laboratory 2 OOP principle. Create a video presentation that demonstrate the different OOP principle implementation such as encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and how it works. Upload your presentation in your YouTube channel and submit the link in the VLE. Okay, sir, first is ang encapsulation. So what is encapsulation? The meaning of encapsulation is to make sure that sensitive data is hidden from users. To achieve this, you must declare class variables, attributes as private, provide public get and set methods to access and update the value of a private variable. So let's start. Magbuhat sa tadari og kanato. Equals to information. A class na to. Okay, so first is need na nato private ang ato ang attributes. Next is magbuhat ta og um, constructor niya pero pwede ra ta dili magbuhat anim diretso na tagbuhat og setters and getters niya para diktanan ta sa ato ang main method mag set. So gamit tag void type public void set name constructor niya and gamit tag this na keyword para makuha nato ang iyang instance. Public string get name, return lang nato si name. Next is address na po. Get address. Yung constructor. This na keyword na po to get the instance. Next is yung getters. String mo set address dito dapat dito. Set get address. Return na to set address. Next is void set age. Age. Instance niya. Age. Then iyahang getter. Age. Getter. Okay, so next is buhat na tawag object niya. So next is mag-set sa tadere. And for that set name to nato. Set name to Lawrence. Next is and for that set na to tong address to Mati City. Next is ito ang age. Set na to age. Ano? Ayan na. 20. So, ato na siyang ikuha kwaon name. Info that get name. Society age. For that get age. Society address. For that get address. So, ato siyang i-run. So as we can see here no, na diri na output na nato si Lawrence 20 and Mati City. So mao lang gid to ang encapsulation ga private na siya attributes para ma-hide nato atong sensitive data kay from the word itself encapsulation gina ginabutang niya sa isa ka capsule lang ato ang attributes for safety purposes. So next is inheritance. So here is magbuhat ta og basta na diri atong attributes. Complete string um, brand brand then public in speed speed. So next is ato iyahang atag constructor speed then then is brand equals to brand instance gap niya is that speed equals to speed. So no, diri sa ato ang kuan sa ato ang motor ato tong i-inherit ni si speed nato kaning yang attribute. So nagbutang ta diri og extend speed. So butangan na po siya constructor. So dara na nagbutang ta constructor si string brand pero mag-spend lagi na. Speed. 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 So magbutang ta diri og motor. So magbutang ta diri og string motor. Then ato siyang kuha ang instance diri. String motor. Okay? So as you can see na nag-extend ta diri gikan sa tong speed to inherit our variables dere. Our variables are attributes dere. So ara mo ni ang kuan na ni nagbutang ta constructor string brand ug in speed which is gikan diri sa to ang speed nga class. Then ato silang gibutang sa super nga kuan then brand ug speed para ma-inherit nato na sila then nagdagdag tag isa ka attributes diri sa to ang motor nga class which is si motor then atong gikuhang instance. So atong ikuan diri sa main method nato. So motor um, motor ano speed equals to motor then to siyang constructor nato dire brand. Okay. Brand is what's up? Then speed niya is 1 2 then sa may kanani motor niya ay mama niyo sabi niya niya ba okay so ato na tong ano speed that si brand daw then the speed that si speed yes the speed that motor. So dapat ang atong output ano no kay si Yamaha 125 ug si Mio. Tara Yamaha 125 ug si Mio. So mao tong inheritance no, ang inheritance kay in Java it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. So mo ni dere natay mga classes dere mo niya to ang parent superclass nato dire to inherit gikan. Then mo na to ang subclass motor. So next is C, polymorphism. What is Java polymorphism? Polymorphism means many forms, and it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. Like we specified the previous chapter, inheritance let us inherit attributes and methods from another class. Polymorphism uses those methods to perform different tasks. This allows us to perform a single action in different ways. For example, think of a superclass called animal that has a method called animal sound. Subclasses of animals could be pigs, cats, dogs, birds, and they also have their own implementation of an animal sounds. The pig oinks and the cat meows, etc. So, tanin ko on. So, si motor no. Magbuhat ta diri og method. Public void of speed. SLUT. David seconds over speeding. Okay. So, dire, kung extends ta dire, ato tong i-override to atong method dire which is kaning si speed. So, public void speed the override mana ang override speed the motor is over speeding. The next is buhat tag isa ka class nato dire class which is si car. Many kay ang polymorphism is many forms man siya. Stands nato si car kay speed. Okay? So, uh, public void speed. Override na po nato siya. Na, override. Okay, so, SIUT, the car is over speed. So, sa ato ang main method ani, dara, atong main method, so, speed is 1 equals to mean speed. And then, motor, equals to new motor. Hmm? Hindi mo kaya motor? Naman. No? Don't happen. Car equals to new car. Okay, so, ito na lang ay, no. Na naman tayo is UT dito. Yung tawagan to si Kuan, si S1 dot speed. Okay, so then si motor dot speed. Si car dot oh, speed. So, let's try. So, dara atong output nun. Sa ato ang speed nga class natay the vehicle is overspeeding, then sa motor is the motor is overspeeding. Then sa atong car nga class naputay the car is overspeeding. So, maulon to ang polymorphism sir. And mao to ako ang video for Laboratory 2 OOP Principles. Thank you.